Okay, let's say that you have a scan report and it's showing that you have some fibroid tumors growing, and you're wondering, should I go for surgery or shouldn't I? And you've also heard that some people will go for surgery and it will grow back. It's true. Fibroid is not effectively treated by just cutting it off. So best bet is always to work on what you're bringing into your body. Starve what is feeding the fibroid growth, the fibroid tumor, and it will shrink. And I know that many persons have their opinions about what I'm saying, but that doesn't mean that fibroid does not shrink on its own. It does shrink. If science says that at menopause, when estrogen level is dropping, fibroid naturally shrinks, it also tells us that if you do what you need to do to bring down the estrogen levels when a fibroid is growing, then you will be able to control the growth and then succeed at making it shrink. So some of the things you need to do are, of course, changing your lifestyle and all that, but of course you need to bring in many things directly into your system. Here we have this apple cider vinegar, molasses. These are staples when you're trying to heal from fibroid. Then we have turmeric here. This is curcumin powder, and this is the major component in turmeric. So because curcumin is so important, we are just bringing in turmeric as supportive, but this is the main thing here, because it's that antioxidant in turmeric that really helps with controlling fibroid growth and eventually making it shrink. So you want to have curcumin, whether in powdered form or capsules, in your diet on a regular, consistent basis. So because turmeric is a powerful herb, and then science has also given us some guidelines on how to make it even more effective. And what is this guideline? That each time you're taking turmeric, or let's say curcumin extract, you should bring in black pepper. Black pepper will make it readily available for absorption. The nutrient in it will get into your system and do the work it's meant to do. You know, nutritionally they say it makes it bioavailable for your system. So black pepper helps absorption of turmeric or curcumin extract. And then of course, always enjoy your beetroot powder. It's also helpful when you're trying to manage fibroids, help to keep your estrogen in control, your heart health, which is a key thing when fibroid is there. You notice that sometimes the blood pressure of someone who is suffering from fibroid might just go up. That's because there's some form of communication between that fibroid growth, estrogen dominance, and then heart health. So that's how beetroot powder comes in. I think I've mentioned molasses. Molasses and beetroot also work hand in hand when it comes to heart health. Then you have your gorontula that can help with a lot, balancing your estrogen levels, helping to cleanse the womb, and of course during periods, all those terrible pains and all that, gorontula will help to suppress it. And then of course, if you're trying to conceive, one of the things that gorontula can do is to help to improve mucus secretion and even make it quality mucus, so that once intercourse happens, the semen will find a very healthy place to swim and get fast to the egg that it wants to fertilize.